Well, hey there everyone, and welcome back to Stuff in Excel. I'm Richard, and what we're going to do today is a really quick, fast video on a brand new tool that's just shown up in Excel. It's going to make your life a whole lot easier. It's called Focus Cell. Let me show you how this thing works. Have you ever been in a spreadsheet and you're in a cell and you don't know, you can't, it's such a big spreadsheet, you can't tell what row you're in, which column you're in, and you're having to run your finger across the page to try to find the row that you're in. It's kind of a pain in the neck. No longer. Those days are past. We're going to use the new Focus Cell tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top ribbon, and we're going to click on View. And when we click on View, what we're going to do is we are going to click on View, then we're going to go down over here to the right, and we're going to see this little thing called Focus Cell. Now, if you don't have it yet, just be patient. Eventually, you will get upgraded and renewed and refreshed, and you will have this. But mine just showed up like just in the last week. So you click on Focus Cell, and you have two options. You can hit the down, you can Focus Cell, and you can change the Focus Cell color if you want. We're just going to leave it at the default color. You click on Focus Cell, and what it does, it's going to highlight. Whenever you are anywhere in a worksheet, it's going to highlight the column you're in and the cell that you're in. So if I want to go up to this cell here, it's going to highlight that column and row. It's going to go down here, it's going to highlight that column and row. Over here, it's going to highlight that column and row. Really, really powerful, useful tool, I think. Something that we will all make it a lot easier to navigate around our screens. Hopefully this is helpful. Remember, if you like the video, please click the like button and the subscribe button below and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when new videos come out. See you real soon on Stuff in Excel.